Part 1. Introduction. On month can change everything. Sometimes we feel stuck in life. We feel like nothing is improving. We feel like nothing new is happening. But the truth is very simple. Your life can change in on month if you change your habits. You do not need on year. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need big motivation every day. You only need 30 days and a clear plan. This plan is very simple. Anyone can follow it. A student, a worker, a creator, a homemaker. Anyone. If you give only 1 hour every day for the next 30 days, your mind, energy, confidence, and entry lifestyle will start to change. Let us begin your on month journey. Chapter 1. Accept where you are before you changing your life. You must accept your life. Most people run away from the truth. Now they are wasting time. Now they are not using their full potential. Now they are afraid to start. But they still pretend everything is fine. Nothing changes until you accept your reality. Take one deep breath and tell yourself, I am not perfect, but I am ready to improve. This one sentence opens the door to a new life. When you accept your situation, you stop blaming others. You stop waiting for the perfect moment and you stop living in the past. You finally take control of your decisions. Chapter 2. Remove the wrong habits to add good habits. First, you must remove bad habits. Do not think about big change. Focus on small habits that destroy your day. Some common bad habits are checking your phone again and again, waking up very late, sleeping very late, comparing yourself to others, spending time with negative people, overthinking, promising but not starting and saying I will do it tomorrow. You do not need to remove everything at once. Just remove one bad habit every week. Week 1. Reduce your phone usage, turn off notifications, keep your phone away while studying or working. Week 2. Improve your sleep routine. Sleep a little early and wake up a little early. Even 30 minutes helps. Week 3. Stop comparing your life with others. Focus only on your growth. Week 4. Take action instead of thinking too much. Action removes fear faster than anything. Removing these habits alone will improve almost half of your life. Chapter 3. Add on good habit every week. Once your bad habits start reducing, begin adding good habits slowly. Do not rush. A small step creates big change. Week 1. Habit read for 20 minutes every day. Read anything positive, motivational or educational. Week 2. Habit. Do simple exercise for 30 minutes, walk, stretch or do yoga. Your mind becomes sharp when your body is active. Week 3. Habit. Learn something new for 20 minutes. English, communications, skills, anything that helps your future. Week 4. Habit. Plan your next day before sleeping. Write only 3 important tasks. It makes your next day productivity and calm. Only 4 good habits can completely change your lifestyle. Chapter 4. Control your mind. Most people lose not because they are weak, but because their mind controls them. You must control your mind first. Observe your thoughts. When a negative thought comes, do not fight it. Just watch it. It will pass. Second, speak kindly to yourself. Do not say I am useless. Say I am learning. Third, focus on progress, not perfection, on percent improvement. Every day becomes 30% is on month. Fourth, never expect fast results. Fast success does not stay long. Slow and steady success becomes permanent. Chapter 5. Build discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Motivation helps you start, discipline helps you finish. To build discipline, do a small task daily. Do not skip more than one day. Make promises to yourself and keep them. Celebrate small wins. Even when you do not feel like doing something, do it for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes to enough to start. Starting is enough to win. Chapter 6. Create a simple daily routine. A good routine builds a good life. Your daily routine decides your mood, your energy, and your productivity. A simple routine is better than a perfect routine. Do not try to copy other people. Create a routine that fits your life. Here is simple on month routine you can follow. Wake up a little early, drink water, sit quietly for 2 minutes and breathe deeply. Plan 3 important tasks for the day. Study or work for at least an hour without touching your phone. Take short breaks. Eat simple food. Exercise for 30 minutes. Learn something new for 20 minutes. Spend some time alone to think about your goals. Stop using your phone an hour before sleeping. Sleep on time. If you follow this routine, even 20% your life will become more stable in 1 month. Routine gives direction. Routine gives discipline. Routine removes confusion. Chapter 7. Build confidence slowly. Confidence is not gift. Confidence is not habit. Confidence is a habit. You build it by doing small things that make you stronger. To build confidence is on month to these simple actions. Speak clearly and slowly. Stand straight and walk confidently. Talk to at least one new person every week. Finish your small task on time. Learn one new skill. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Try something you were afraid to try. Keep your promises to yourself. Every time you complete a task, your confidence grows. Every time you avoid a task, your fear grows. Choose growth even if it is slow. Chapter 8. Change your environment. Your environment affects your mind more than you realize. If your room is messy, your thoughts become messy. If your desk is full of distractions, your mind becomes distracted. If your surroundings are negative, your confidence becomes weak. Make a small change in your environment. Keep your table clean. Remove unnecessary things. Put your phone far while working. Keep water near you. Keep your books organized. Avoid people who bring negativity. Your environment should support your goals, not destroy them. Chapter 9. Use your time wisely. 1 month is enough to change your life if you use your time correctly. Time is not the problem. Distraction is the problem. Delay is the problem. Overthinking is the problem. Start using your time like this. Do your hardest task in the morning. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work without stopping. Take 5 minutes breaks. Avoid long breaks. Do not start your day with your phone. Do not end your day with your phone. Spend your evenings learning or creating something, not scrolling endlessly. You do not need more hours. You need more focus. Chapter 10. Track your progress. If you do not track your progress, you will not know how much you improved. Tracking gives clarity. Tracking gives confidence. Tracking shows improvement even on slow days. Every night, write 3 things. What you completed today. What you learned today. What you will do tomorrow. These simple 3-line general can change your entire mindset in 30 days. Keep your aware. It keeps you aware. It keeps you disciplined. It keeps you moving forward. Chapter 11. Control your emotions. Your emotions decide your actions, and your actions decide your future. If you learn to control your emotion for 1 month, your life will become more peaceful and more focused. First, understand that emotions are temporary. Anger, fear, sadness, laziness, doubt. These all come and go. Do not react quickly. Pause for 10 seconds before responding. This small pause can save relationships, time, and energy. Second, write down your feelings. When you write, your mind becomes calm. You understand what is happening inside you. Third, talk less when you are angry. Speak only when your mind is calm. Fourth, forgive people easily. Forgiveness removes mental pressure. It gives you a space to grow. Fifth, do not expect too much from anyone. Expectations create pain. Understanding creates peace. Chapter 12. Replace negativity with positivity. Negativity destroys your confidence. It stops your growth. It makes your mind heavy and slow. Replace negativity with positivity in simple ways. When you think I can't do this, change it to I will try my best. When you feel lazy, say I will start with 5 minutes. When you think you are behind in life, say everyone has their own timing. When you compare yourself to others, say I will focus on my journey. Positive thinking is not magic. It is habit, and once you practice it for 1 month, your thinking pattern will become stronger and healthier. Chapter 13. Set clear goals. A life without goals has no direction. You wake up, live the day, go to sleep, and nothing new happens. Set clear and simple goals for 1 month. Goal examples: improve English speaking, read on book, learn a new skill, lose some weight, wake up early, earn some money, stay consistent in studies. Write your goal on paper, look at it every morning. It reminds your mind what you want. It keeps you focused and disciplined. Chapter 14. Reduce overthinking. Overthinking kills your peace. It makes small problems look big. It stops you from taking action. To reduce overthinking, follow these steps. Accept that you cannot control everything. Do only what you can and leave the rest. Keep yourself busy with productivity tasks. An empty mind creates unnecessary thoughts. Talk to yourself in simple, calm sentence. Tell yourself I will handle things on by on. Take action quickly. The more you delay, the more you overthink. Do not imagine negative outcomes. Imagine your best positive result. Your mind becomes peaceful when you think less and act more. Chapter 15. Strengthen your mental health. Mental health is as important as physical health. If your mind is tired, your body becomes weak. If your mind is stable, you can face any problem. To improve mental health in 1 month, do these things daily. Sit quietly for 5 minutes with closed eyes. Take slow breaths. Think about your goals and your progress. Avoid toxic people, avoid negative news, drink more water. Spend time with nature even for 10 minutes. Mental strength develops slowly, but if you follow these small steps daily, your mind will become clear, calmer, and stronger. Chapter 16. Build a better relationship. Your life changes quickly when you change the people around you. Good relationship give support, energy and positivity. Bad relationship drain your mind and waste your time. To improve your relationship in on month, follow these simple steps. Listen more than you speak. People feel valued when you listen with attention. Speak politely. Your tone is more important than your words. Say sorry quickly when you make a mistake. Sorry removes ego and strengthens bonds. Say thank you more often. Graduate improves every relationship. Stay away from people who make you feel small. Do not argue with negative people. Protect your peace. Spend time with people who inspire you. People who push you to grow, not to fall. Chapter 17. Learn how to handle failure. Failure is not the positive of success. Failure is a part of success. Every successful person has failed many times. What makes them different is that they did not stop. When you fail, do not blame yourself. Do not say I am not capable. Say I will try again with more experience. Failure teaches you what does not work. It gives you new ideas. It builds your character in on month. Promise yourself that you will not fear failure. You will not run from challenge. You will learn from every mistake. This mindset alone can change your life. Chapter 18. Improve your communication skills. Communication skill can change your career, your relationship and your confidence. You do not need perfect English. You only need clear and simple communication. Speak slowly and clearly. Think before you talk. Use simple words. Do not shout. Do not interrupt others. Practice talking in front of a mirror for 5 minutes daily. Listen carefully when others speak. Good listeners become good communicators. If you improve communication for on month, people will start respecting you more and you will feel more confident in every situation. Chapter 19. Become consistent. Consistency is the secret of all success. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep going. When you do something daily, even if it is small, your life starts improving automatically. Study daily even for 20 minutes. Exercise daily even for 10 minutes. Read daily even for 2 pages. Work on your goals daily even for 5 minutes. A small daily actions become big results in a month. Consistency is stronger than talent. Consistency is stronger than motivation. Consistency shapes your future. Chapter 20. Prepare yourself for a new life. The last step of your own month transformation is preparation. You must prepare your mind for the new you. Let go of your past. Let go of your doubts. Let go of your excuse. Accept that you deserve a better life. Accept that you are capable of change. Accept that the next version of you will be stronger, wiser and more disciplined. Tell yourself every morning, I am improving every day. Tell yourself every night, I am proud of my efforts. Your preparation decides your speed. Your mindset decides your success. Chapter 21. Believe in yourself. The biggest change you can make in on months is to start believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, your conditions grows. Your fear reduces and your mind becomes stronger. You stop depending on people for approval. You stop worrying about what others think. You start focusing on your goals and your own journey. Tell yourself every day, I can improve, I can grow, I can change my life. Believe in the foundation of success. Nothing is possible without it. Chapter 2022. 1 month transformation plan. Here is a simple 1 month plan that brings real change. Day 1 to day 7. Fix your sleep schedule. Reduce phone usage. Read for 20 minutes. Take a short walk daily. Day 8 to day 15. Start learning something new. Talk to a new person. Clear your room or work space. Write 3 tasks for the next day. Day 16 to day 23. Follow a simple routine. Exercise for 30 minutes. Avoid negative people and thoughts. Track your daily progress. Day 24 to day 30. Limit overthinking. Control your emotions. Practice confidence. Focus on consistency. If you follow this plan honestly, even 20% you will feel a big change in your energy, habits and mindset. Chapter 23. What you will become in 1 month. If you follow all these steps for 30 days, your life will not be the same. You will become more confident, you will become more focused, you find will become calmer, your habits will become stronger, you will stop wasting time, you will start respecting yourself, you will feel proud of your growth. This 1 month can become the turning point of your life. Chapter 24. Your new beginning. This is not the end of your journey. This is the beginning of a better version of you, a more disciplined you, a more confident you, a more peaceful you. Yeah, you who knows what he wants from life. Do not stop after 30 days. Continue the good habits, learn more, grow more, push yourself more. Every month can become a new chance to improve. Chapter 25. Final message. If you want a better life, you must create it. If you want a stronger mind, you must train it. If you want success, you must work for it. Nobody will do it for you. Your own month starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Stand up, take a deep breath, look forward, start your journey with confidence. You are capable, you are strong, you are improving. Your new life is waiting for you. Thanks for staying till the end of the video.